If your Beautyrest heated blanket controller starts blinking, it means the system detected a fault and automatically shut off to protect you. You may also see codes like E1, E2, E3, or E4, which usually point to connection problems. Start by plugging the blanket directly into a wall outlet, avoid power strips or extension cords. Then, carefully inspect the controller, cord, and blanket connectors for loose fittings, frayed wires, or visible damage. To reset it, turn the controller off, unplug the unit completely, disconnect the controller if it's removable, and wait about 15 minutes before reconnecting everything securely. If specific codes continue, double check that the controller is fully inserted. For dual control models, swap the controllers from left to right to identify whether the issue follows the controller or stays with one side of the blanket. If the same controller shows the error, it may be defective. If the same side fails, internal wiring could be damaged. Persistent heating failure may signal broken wires or internal fuse issues, often caused by twisting during washing. If troubleshooting doesn't solve it, contact customer support, especially if it's still under warranty, and stop using the blanket immediately if you see burn marks or exposed wires.